Alright guys, so I am still in Tucson, but I just wanted to show you. I got this soup, and this is a pozole soup, and I got two. It was so good that I actually got two of them. So I don't know how they make it, but it's got a nice taste to it. It's like a vegetable soup, and I got it to go here, and check this out. So it comes with this sort of salad thing, and what you have inside, I'm really surprised at how good it actually is. So you got like, I think it's chicken or pork. No, sorry, it's pork. And then you got these little things that taste like potatoes. I think they're called hominies, and it tastes like a potato, but it's not. It's corn. So, and it just has, it's like really flavorful, and it brings out the broth. You guys definitely should check it out if you're ever in this area. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.